Hi everyone, it's Island Girl from town with another upload. Now Queen Lady Gangster is at it again. Wherever she went to party, they weren't playing her music, not honoring the queen, she says. I don't know, so she'll go get dark about it. Now she can go from 0 to 100, 100 to 0, prepare for her to laugh, prepare for her to cry, and the rest is just crazy. Well, anyhow, my people, I just want to say thank you all for the persons who keep the comment section bubbling. If you're tuning in from the UK, let me know. If you're in the US, whichever Caribbean island, wherever you are tuning in, if you feel like it, let me know where you're tuning in from. Now, it's Island Girl from town inviting you all to please caution on the brakes, my love. Shadow them, go and work hard, and continue to be humble.
For a woman who just started the music 4 years ago. I only had 40 years ago, 20 years ago, 30. I'm not for real blood clot, but the fuck I don't feel like it's a big blood clot, all the man, and I quick for cuss me and tell me some all. I'm not quick for jump, say Queenie all. But when I incense like this, I don't know, say my all, I'm not for enemy. I go to my full of confident and self-preservation, and everyone be determined. Ryan crazy, you know much time in a party and me as a celebrity. But God like a work so blood clot hard for my people them. And yes, we're a resident. Enough of them cheesy cocky blood clot DJ that see me that dance and them, but I never pay my blood clot song. I mean, the one of them baby song. England, I'm a base. When me there, barber shop with them, when me at the barber shop, me there restaurant, me at the restaurant, cause this is my base in it. So the fuck now you gonna see a man book me for come end dancing birthday with him though. The man knows some sexy at a full of blood clot vibes and excitement. The man crack. Only should have quick for play a double tap. I don't get there everywhere me got in the fashion don't do it cause every blood clot girl will have one man to them gonna love that song there. That's my next hit song. I stand up on the stage and insult me. Me nearly ball, you know. Blood clot, me think I look a maga frack with me that one. Look a naked frack, me na ball. Cause we look a frack rude. Really? Go, baby. Go. Thank you. What? Thank you. The way how the dress are rude. I'm island on myself for just, and I working up. I don't fuck me, I look at something, I look regardless of blood clot. My husband left, brother left, I'm still married. I respect my marriage. So no, come fuck me out, bite me out, or blood clot, try me. I walk for my honest own. And you insult me in front of so much fucking people. I don't know who, because the whole I know they did it. I want for people they did it. I mean, no, I say, if me the create excitement, I mash up the man party to that be a next thing. But what me do? Me just only cause a wise man once says nothing. I mean, I say, look how this brother insult me. And when the man do left off of the stage right crazy and come on the stage with me and the birthday man dead, it hurt me. I chew me rough and awful, me easy. I am very sensitive. That's why I'm so cussy because when people do me thing, I'm not still at this man. I'm very sensitive and that's why I'm not trouble people, you know. Because when nobody trouble me, Ryan crazy, it's a different mood me going on. But out as you know, I love myself, I talk 10 story in a one. It's every time remember Popcorn insult me, you know. I'm gonna say, alright, I'm here call to Papi, so me will take that. But get over that now. But you see that man that Saturday night, the man they out there so all of the selector, the big up bass at this from Jamaica. Even the bass at this Selector said to me, say, Queenie, me your idol, me your number one, you're my idol, you're my number one fan, me love you that shame, something the man has said. And the man give me my press, and only when me on the day, and I know my friend when me are going to people's shop, go take out them blood clot, things that I shoplift, and I say, no for no, come on, no for no cocky. When me used to tear down blood clot boxers, silk boxers like 1,000 boxers to the day. And the one I made when I grew up. And I say how far I reached that life, and you go insult me. Brother, maybe I choose to that one. Monday, I went to party Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Maybe I choose to that Sunday. Queenie, calm down. Maybe choose to that Tuesday. Why I'm not calling your name, I'm not take it out. But it hurt, you hurt my brother. Publicly insult me. Me no walk and fuck and lick up bottom and suck and dirty. You understand me? I'm full of blood clot, man. Like, but come out sexy. I say, a man say, for come out and sexy. Look at the hands I'm do for the man. I say, clean and cocky, big body, nice. And the man say, for endorse him. Me don't know the man. I first me and me the blood clot, man. And the man say, my worth and value. And said to me, I'm paying me for come and blood clot, please. And that's you it. What you do? Prove to the world, say. I don't understand, because you have your own, you're a teacher, and a year in our business. So when you have to insult me, in a year that you said over 6 times, you never think say a Queenie or you want me come cuss you. I'm telling you, we're growing a blood clot if I were not growing a. You know what? Sometimes it's going to draw me out to some levels. But who come here? Big up SL Lounge. Me all forgot. Big up your damn self, Serena. Every blood clot girl from them got a party where I see me. Me. You see me? You see the way I'm boat? I'm full of ice. Them just want to see Queenie and them can't blood clot stand me. Cause the life I'm bring to the blood clot here, but them want me at the party. All of you come and insult the Queen. Oh, hey, every time I remember this come like when the man spit from me, you know. I don't know my love boss. Right, cause when the man spit from me, I would green every time I pass a man and I saw my heart a drop out of my urge, you know. Me I say bumble clot. I said the man I deal with me. What you think me that do? Be enough? Alright, if I was even be enough for argument's sake. Somebody birthday boy never said me to stick with him. I said I take the mic. Me we got Jamaica go represent for England. You know, my England blood clot. You come kiss out my blood clot, kiss out, bite out and chaw out my chop and scratch now. And take out the blood clot, stiff ear them out and the crutches the ears so me not have no bigger. How fucking dare you humiliate me? How fucking know that me no goat? Me no got away England and left them book me. You understand me? Me not come and know myself. And me not make nobody take me for no blood clot slave either. Me not go highlight nobody party. Anybody when I recognize me, no recognize me. So I like me up here be one comments for me still on my blood clot bed. And somebody not call me and say, Queenie, more and book and my hurt something. Me I say, why? Why man like pick from me? Why? Wanna see me as a challenge? What? Wanna threaten by me as a woman? Come on now. Me is a top girl. Me the leading blood clot female in England. Me Queenie. In the industry. Me call up anybody name and ask who are the leading female in the UK. Me Queenie. How fucking dare you, brother? How much years may I have buck up in a party in England? How? Anyway, SL Lounge, I'm the next thing, the 25th of October. I never get nothing else before. Not now. No man, my begs from Sunday. Man run me, one selector run me. Run me around 6 times. I tell me come up and stay. The 7th time I remember when I fight him. You believe me? And Naz, out of the respect for the man, part of the man purposely invite me official as him. Him starker then. Put it set. From Sunday morning company internet now. I'm so busy and so much thing I do. You see little soup I'm cook a while ago, I remember. Who did that? Anybody did that? Me wait to see how long, brother. When I come back there in Jamaica, my belly cut out to blood clot and the first thing I see me about dirty blood clot that the side there. When everybody I tell me say a big party and me not know the man, I first me I know the man God Almighty. Man, me put shit in and blood clot. Hey, Queenie, thank God your body half full of blood clot. You understand me? Nobody take no blood clot liberty with me. You understand me? Because I don't get up and tell liberty with people. If you're not trouble me, I'm one of the nicest, caring, kindest person. Me not stop crying. My begs from Saturday night. My begs. I drive. And I got hot me, you know, me I say blood clot. I'll make me that ball, me camera walk out of the blood clot party and go on by my blood clot self. Me independent. I'm a big and brave and bold. Me not take certain shit in a brother. Me not call the name. You know why? Me not feed you the same thing where you feed me. But you know yourself. My hurt. I don't know. Attention me. I look. My bet. I see me not talk. Me I go boss. My bad an accident him purposely. Can't stand me. Because that's a swallow on too. But it's not your party. I am the fucking queen for. We had to compete with me as a man, brother. How you reach this and you don't have the mic. Me not even have the mic for say nothing. You understand me? And that hurt me. Remember me didn't have the mic for say back something you know, to that body, nobody know right crazy. Can you imagine somebody up on the bike? Queenie, come off our stage. Queenie, come on off our stage. Move from off our stage. I mean, I say, who the man really talk to? But confident you want to see me. And shouldn't me have a little sexy dress. So that dress I'm wearing night, I try them have. The same dress. But telling us some of that different type of blood clot. I clothes them and the way it make me feel. And that me wear. The vibe of the dress give me just sexy because I look no dress and so it just rude. I'm just flying on my head, I know my daddy help and wet up myself, you know, and I end up to man with him party, you know. Me and the man kill my cocky when me not have to blood clot. And you know me not have trees stiff. It would have dead to blood. The man kill me cock. You ready? Yeah. Go on, man, me not about to come. But the ugly me show them say you can't be all and sexy. You can't be all and bold. You can't be all and ugly. You can't be all and get married. You can't be all and get dumb. You can't be all and just a run and a jump for me. And me, you want blood clot undermine me. But tell her no. I am very loud and vulgar and awful, but not until somebody trouble me. Me not trouble people. I mean not insult people. Me not get up and me and one man says she's afraid of me. She said, darling, if you know me, you're afraid of me. If you was my real fan, you're afraid of me. I am not abusive. Me not get up and abuse. How dare a man get up with so much people? I know me don't understand. Me I said, and every man want me cuss him. But then me can't mash up the birthday boy party, so me have to hold my composure. So you know the fool of me feel like, you know, like when me look like me, I say, I really mean the man inside. I say, me not coming off. Me not come down. And him left from this up. Around 5 minutes after, I come whisper me, they know. Hey, this is the phone of man. And if you remember, I say, man, pussy no come out. Man, when them ear to a man, some pussy. Come on, and a pussy no come out. And the woman. Big all of man like this. Regardless, my phone got a lot on the internet. If somebody in a trouble, I'm not awful. I'm big on the girl in my Southland, and them show me so much love. And now I come from it. So I got South. I beer love them show me over Southland. I beer love Southland and people. Why you feel like? I don't know if it's I like to one brother, but I think you need to look in what you do to me. I don't have nobody say it to you, but I have to speak for myself. You understand me? So even though I said the God, but it's so busy and some important things to do. Couldn't get to it. Bali. You understand me? Them used to mark me about my list. My list down from a little bit. I saw my bali from a big smega ball. Whether I want ball about man or somebody trouble me on my blood clot ball, me not borrow no body ball. Body out here don't like a strong firm woman. You understand me? And me not lie, if your brother will know me so long, you know every time I say, you know me go to Jamaica and them grab mic from me and take mic from me, you see me? I'm telling you something, enough party me go right crazy. And them see me, and them know my status and them now play my song. Who believe me? I'm not ask them. I just stand up sometime and I say, so them not the big blood clot celebrity that I play as a big artist. Me nah lick out, no blood clot by the ass, nobody bottom, me nah hook up for pay my song. And who run me down for who not run me down, you want to come in so, but why? You see people that might give me too much love? Remember, you know, on March, my belly cut out. You never see me back from that. Just look for the reason of that. Why you think so much people give me so much honor when them see me? Cause them pray for me when me is sick. Because I know my good vibes and my good energy. So, you not see me from my belly cut out till now, and that you give me, brother. Some of them, if I could have catch you one away to blood clot, when I done punch up your blood clot and hold your balls them and squeeze them blood clot, you know, one day for one girl I deal with them stuff. The long run short blood clot catch. Somebody I got do you, what's that when me do you? My blood clot work. Me when them fuck the man, lick out the man back to wall, I don't remember why the man could have got for a stage to deal with me stuff. And then me say, I'm shocking around crazy, but guess what? I talk to myself, but it's my confident make any cocky stand up. I talk to myself, I say blood clot to embarrassment, this but I'm still on my bed. And then I say, not a blood clot, the man want to generous to the film birthday. I say, let's coming up! But him can't hear me, no, cause the party full enough, but him can't see my reaction. Man, I'm satisfied, brother. Sister, the man, I'm satisfied. The man come off of the stage. I'm coming up on the little square stage. I want a square stage and I want wax. Square. Left half of the big artist. That look personal. That look like my promise you suck. I used to fuck blood clot and you owe me. Hello? Why me? Why? What? You know, some I prefer some big pussy girl like how my pussy big. Deal with me certain way. You understand me? Because there is levels. When you're not girl at 2 to 2, she tell her you're so good and you tell her back she's so good. But, you know, me I say, me like them, I like the DJ enough for all these years, you know. Me never true me like him, I respect the film why. Me I say, I really let him do me. Where did that come from? You know, most of them DJs didn't see me how long ride crazy. Them used to have me over here shoplift and drive around and I sell people perfume, eyeglass, pants, this, anything. Every year I'm going to sell them, they pack barrel out of me. I want to see me now, uplift my blood clot self. Now talk to me, I must vex. Then you have some dirty girl that come talk about me, itch up and Fabian. Let me tell you something. You see me there at Jamaica, sick in a hospital. Fabian member me, big up Fabian for rich and famous. You hear that? You don't hear that? No man, me know I'm married. All of my husband when the 100 blood clot time is still stand. No, fuck me out and tell me for no blood clot mascot. So I'm going my blood clot composure because I'm full of confidence. I know myself. My Bex. Blood clot, you know. And leave me alone. So 2 attack me get. Me get attack for rich, Fabian, rich and famous. Nobody overnight no book me. Because I know my town, they say used to me and take me for common blood clot for. Not right. You can't force people, I'm just saying literally speaking. So when them over Southern and book me now, and give me that big up 5 o'clock. My classmates, all 5 o'clock now left me out. Southern and people give me a different applause. So the man tell me, could I not go away now? Me could have said no. Me said no. I'm a beer father, make the link cause my beer father was there working as well. How dare you deal with me some of that? Oh, my earth, God know. I feel, you know when a man fuck you up and I look back at it, I don't have no bad man. I come out to them, I look at just have a little shiny booty, you know. I may say, alright, birthday boy, dance. I may dance, you know, cause a long time I don't really gonna wear the right critters. And I say, I don't go out. You see, I get booking, I go. I say the man, shame me like. Terrible, I don't deal with people, sir. Oh. I saw me stay at my Bex. I'm from Saturday, my Bex in the right crazy. I wake up Sunday morning, say, I got done the blood clot man Sunday. God never want me done him Sunday. God never want me done him either. God just want me let out my steam. Alright now. Hush. Somebody call my name. Hush. Winston, what's up, Winston? Oh my Lord, why them a insult me? Me and them a cuss about my father sure. Wanna remember, where bones are not provided, dog dogs are not invited. I'm not a fucking dog. I am the queen. Farmer to come like me, they perform because I'm smart. So Mrs. said the stage drug a blood clot and I'm not gonna get my time. He said, you wall and run out from my right crazy, them see me. You see, I went to the video, I saw the man I run with them. I saw the pussy that I got to take me off at stage. Support me never run out. Cause me just I run out, few people them see me and just go out with my antics and go back, you know. Why did I run me down for? From a spitting at your blood clot face.
Now, my people, Queenie is talking about another diss where she get at the Mavada show. Yeah, man, when she never get to perform, Queenie actually run out on the stage. Security almost got her. Why Queenie's always being chased by security, people? Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Blood clot, see me, I run from Santa Max. No blood clot time, come here, queen, I'm ruin. Breathe on the camera, so pretty time when I know our blood clot selfish, shaman, our blood clot, come on, Mr. Pretty much down in a battery that looks sexier than blood clot, me shock. Go back to the reason. Me and a pretty down, you know, you think popcorn could have blood clot, see me, I run from Santa Max. No blood clot time, come here, queen, I'm ruin. I'm a son, blood clot firm. Santa Masa for me and Santa Masa for me. Me plant my seed, I'ma reap it. Me set foundation and trend on that. Me and a code like blood clot pretty done. So me I ask you something. You think you could have hooked up this other man who run me off of the stage, run me down from my father's stage. When I watch about the video clip, me I said, that man really out there. I don't know if you know say I am the queen. Me anything my blood clot or law. Come in and bring no crime to nobody. Any entertainment, if me go and pack my pussy and lick up stuff. Somebody I gotta appreciate it. Come and set my blood clot foundation. I'm a see the man, I say what the man really, me should have stopped. If me never run back to a trooper, me run to I want me and trooper there, you know. As trooper select, you know. I mean trooper because of them blood clots sent for me, because if they never sent for me, wouldn't they have my father show about it? Yeah, the least I'm a problem, but because I show you, all man love to challenge me. I strip my blood clot clothes. I don't know how I ramp with. My father grew me rough and blood clot tough. If you're too blood clot strong, I might see a man go, but just grab the blood clot balls, and that's a man weak spot. I'm kind of dissing it at the public one. I'm not going to come on internet, you know. Because the one on that test my blood clot faith as man, you know. And no found me see blood clot. Not you finna chat me and undermine me. Chat me with a friend and a woman or whatever, and so I can't stand me. Don't bring it to my face, brother. Me a human. Me have feelings. Me nice. Me caring. Me loyal. And me awful. Me not look no girl blood clot, man. Me satisfied on my own blood clot space. Is all that King Mix Up and say double tap?
Queenie, big up King Mix Up, yeah man. Big up King Mix Up. Set the foundation for Mix Up blogging over the years. And you don't know, we give credit where credit is due.
Money pull up! Crazy! King Mix Up. King Mix Up. King Mix Up. Here's another one. Me tell you already a couple weeks ago. You see your voice? I don't know where you get that voice. I love your voice. No matter what you say about me to blood clot every time. And when you fix me to blood clot, mix up, you have a voice, brother. I don't know if I make it or God gate, or if you use something for yourself, that voice, but your voice have a hook. Money pull, but you're full of confident. You understand me? But it's alright. Confident, man. Confident. Make me not drop in a shame and make me not go on body night. But you know for do better than that, younger man. You know for do better than blood clot that you know can't see strong black woman like me. We are 54. You know mock me about my husband go. You know mock me come. Me belly cut out. Me pity dead. This happened to me. That happened to me. I'm still there trying. Loud. I'm bold and beautiful. I'm not sister when I can't have me down. Low blood clot me, man, and glorify me, man. All of the worst happened to me to blood clot. Somebody book me, go to pussy clot. Me see me there at Jamaican hospital. I remember the people that book me. I'm a screech out of the hospital just to go endorse my career. You want to come run off a stage, brother. Like man in a body. I like me not put in a work. Rude, man, me a queen. I have to run, my brother. Publicly find the mic. Blood clot. Not TV cut with them cut out my belly down at public hospital now. Act like how that blood clot. And call that they call it heal. Me can't remember it, but me not feel. No do me that, brother. That's so publicly disrespectful. Right now, me should have dip up under your blood clot and take needle and thread and I soap your pussy clot. But guess what? Me think from my belly cut out, there's certain levels of me draw. Me still cussy and still myself in a butt. You know? Just understand yourself, brother. You heard me. Yeah, man, you fuck me over, brother. You insult me deep. I just say, easy. Imagine that. Just imagine it now, man. Him just say easy and acknowledge me. I say, at the first man meet him easy me again. That was so. I'm there for, wow, embarrassed. I me beer, sir. And popcorn never depend on my talk out. Can you imagine how the man attack? Right crazy, me not have no foot. Is me not rely upon people as long and jealous of people something. If you say you book me, I give you full authentic support because you me work. Oh, you for this, my brother. Oh, you for do me that. Look how much you do that in my dad. Because Jamaica can represent food and never even know that. Me I got turn artist to blood clot. I want you me run left the wall I do a mustard. You understand me? A crown in a fair blood clot crown. Me reach a sing. Me reach a sons. Me reach a dream weekend. I want it more blood clot booking. Me just a work so now deal with me so over here. Oh God, man, me feel a way, brother. Me feel a way for true. But this is what it is and it's already done. Yeah. He's a man or he's a girl, he's a pussy of a rock. When somebody off a stage and somebody was terrible and awful like me then. And then I mean, me not have feelings, but too me loud, too me vulgar, too do it when the God left me alive in a blood clot tell. There was life before do it and life after blood clot do it. And then I don't care, I use me and my husband fat and this blood clot me. Cause whatever me and my husband go through was meant to blood clot because I can't rub it out. Talk to me now, man. Devalue me. Disrespect me. And the blood clot, man. Yes, me make my own blood clot word them. For anybody who work it out. See, blood clot dead. You understand me? Make blood clot sense. Me share me in my heart, but my physical outfit and appearance, me so bold, me so beautiful, you know. Me full of so much confidence. When the man said the turn time for Queenie for come on, me say me nah, come off. I share me the right crazy, you know. And the man still come around me neat and nice like one neat little blood clot puppy dog. I me just crawl and just take off myself.
Supporters, if you did laugh at this point in the video like me, you just put pure laughing emoji for me, please.
Now because I'm Selector. Remember your blood clot Selector when the party done. Me have this. You see this? We will never give it to Instagram. You see the notice me now over TikTok? Me not Mother Blandine Walker. When me I got to one of the stage with me and my husband and she said, Che, no worry yourself. The Bible said there will be no peace on earth. I say when my mother said that to me, that word uplift me, elevate me, because it's truth. The moment you're here to know, and me and you just argue, and me and you piece it up back and normal back, and your cousin trouble you. And by the time you're peaceful back with your cousin and your workplace trouble, you talk the truth of God no love, man. Talk no, man. Peace now done, baby. You have to make peace within your own self. You see, if you can't make peace in yourself and wait for people to make you be peaceful, darling, there will be no peace on earth. And the day about the man not offend me. Here why me not move your blood clot. Do we supposed to mad me and my husband? Why? Move on a blood clot. I aim for madman. I aim for one blood clot, man. Because none of take me for no idiot. Make him take me for all they want blood clot. Take me for can't give me a fuck. If I move on a dirty blood clot and stop call up my husband here. I'm going to try to tell him if I loud the man make him prosper. You know, see my boss him like baby cat. Move on a blood clot and loud you talk. That I do. I've been doing a blood clot. I have to remember him and my husband. It's true. And that is not even the point here. And put themselves out of the way for disrespect, woman. Because them not rate you. And when them sing this whole heap of song about woman I do this with them and woman I do that, I make one woman ever sing one little suck cocky something through it. I may say, okay. Or them say you can't do what a man do and still be a lady. But come on, man. Come on. When you listen back to some of my song them with the artists them sing, but we want to tell me say, one woman artist Ashwam can get up and say something. Eh? On a go here, man. On a juicy and nice. I love Queenie. You understand me? I motivate myself. I rebuild myself. I'm in a hold a grudge. So I'm in a hold a blood clot grudge. Leave my husband alone. But the youth enjoy blood clot life and explore. Leave him. Stop using him to beat me. Cause me not beat him. So me not say if me not act white on a vomit. You catch the logic? Leave the man. Leave the blood clot man. I see me blood clot ball for do it. Cause me have do it yes to ball in now. Me just cause I do it so we are going to run I do it. Ball in my husband blood clot here. Cause on a nasty ball film again. The internet full of blood clot drama with couples. And go and tune into that. Leave the youth alone and focus on me. For me say rude things like for me say, oh, Shabal for do it. Oh, no, see me blood clot ball for do it. Cause me have do it yes to ball in. Focus for me, Queenie, with the advice, with the perseveration, with the confidence, with the love, with the care, with my girl power, with everything we come with. Concentrate on me. That me I talk about. You understand me? The last year, them time I was on TikTok, I made a little change. Me no response government can't do my one blood clot, my bad. I'm not doing nothing illegal. So I'm not going to take my freedom of speech. And the little game I may play on TikTok. Then I go come tell me if I send bank statement. I say, I never know so I get the gift them when I get on TikTok for me and the government. So, you know, it's a different woman.